Okay. This paper. And a switch. And this paper. Alright, now got this little flipper here. This thing is loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be or not, but this switch, the two rivets holding the whole thing, is loose. This lever, it'll come out. So just keep it from falling out. So once you hook your wires up, go ahead and put the bottom paper in. Set the switch on top of it. Now you can visualize it and get your switch lined up with the hole in the paper, with the hole in the for the screws. What I didn't show in this video, is this thing was kind of flat, so I just went and I crimped it tight. That way with my hands I bent them corners sharp, so it sets nice in there and it makes it easier. If you try putting this all together as one assembly, it's very hard for me. Alright, so start both screws so everything's lined up. Pick a random screw, tighten it, take the other screw out, take this paper. So we're going like this now, everything's tight. So everything's where it needs to be, it can't wiggle. Put the second screw in with the top paper. And now you can tighten it, line it up with the other screw head. Make it tight. Now just bend this yarn paper up like that. Take the first screw back out. Now we're ready to put it in. Done. Now we gotta pop the string back in. This little flipper doohickey, it's got a retainer that the spring sets on. I don't know if you can see it there. Yeah, you see that little hole in it that holds the spring, so you got to make sure your spring actually sets on that. So might not when you first put it in. Well, got along better the first